Let's get cooking. All right, my pan is heating up. It's almost ready. I have my chicken thighs that I have to flatten. Is what it comes out like. All right, our chicken is all flattened. And what I'm going to do is I am going to just kind of drizzle it with some olive oil. I'm going to take all of my spices. We're just going to mix them up. And we're going to sprinkle our chicken. Okay, once our chicken is all rubbed down with their seasoning, we're going to go ahead, we're going to drudge them through the flour. We're going to dip them in just 2 eggs with a fork. I probably have about 2 tablespoons of milk in here. And this is straight up panko. We're going to go flour, egg, panko fry. Once they're fried, we turn them once. And we're going to put them on here. Like so. I think I can get one more in there. It smells delicious. I'm going to get to taste it. So, I made a little tester. This is super crunchy. Let's see. That is so good. This is delicious, and it's gonna go so well on our New Year's Day dinner. So, thank you so much for joining me here at the Happiest Cook. I am having such a blast cooking today, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. Please make sure you subscribe. So if you watch and you don't subscribe, well, that's kind of sad. So please hit that subscribe button. And I will see you on our next video. Well, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking.